Hello, and welcome to Intersec Dubai 2024, where I'm here on the SALTO stand, and I'm delighted to be joined by Victor Hage, who is the Managing Director at SALTO. Victor, first of all, Thanks so much for having me here on your stand.
Thank you very much.
I'm delighted to be here, and I know that we're going to be learning about some of your new products and innovations today.
Yes.
First of all, just give us a bit of an insight into exactly what you're showcasing here at Intersec, and what's got you excited about that.
So as you all know, we are a security company, an access control manufacturer. Okay, it's a Spanish manufacturer of access control, and we are bringing some innovation into the market this year. We have several, but we'll concentrate on just two. First of all, the face recognition. This is something that is new for SALTO. With the acquisition that we've made with Cognitech, that is a facial recognition, but more on the government side. With the Clay, that is a cloud access control company that is part also of SALTO, and with the recent acquisition of TouchBytes that do the hardware. So we've combined the three companies plus SALTO to come with a really new, nice, new innovating face recognition access control. Okay. On the product, the innovation is with the self-enrollment. As you know, facial recognition can not be sold in Europe or in the US. Why? Because of the data protection, GDPR regulations. So here what we're doing is we're doing a self-enrollment. Okay? We enter you into the SALTO software, you receive an email, you self-enroll, you tick all the necessary boxes of GDPR or the local regulations. Okay, and from there, you would be accepted in the database. Most important thing is at any time, you can opt out. And this is how we are, how can we say it? We fulfill all the requirements of the GDPR regulations. Okay, and of course, if you go to a big site like a university where you have 10, 20,000 students, enrolling them one by one is a hassle. Okay, where you can do a bulk email to all the students and each one can enroll himself one by one. The second thing is the padlock. Okay, today SALTO have two types of padlocks that are very high secured padlock with all the technology of SALTO. Okay, so it is RFID. You will have it also in NFC, in BLE. Okay, can be wireless or offline, on-prem, or on the cloud. Okay, two type of padlocks, one that is small and one that is a little bit bigger.
Excellent, thank you. And it's very exciting to see these new products that you're launching here at Intersec.
Those are only two. We have much more, but let's focus on those two.
Thank you. And talking of Intersec, we know that you've been nominated at the Intersec Awards for the Outstanding Commercial Security Solution.
Yes.
Are you optimistic about winning this award, and how does it feel to even make the final list?
So being in the final list is something that is extraordinary for us. Okay, it is the first time that we apply, and we are one of the finalists. And in fact, it is one of the products that I was talking about. It is the padlocks of SALTO. Okay, it's a neo padlock. Completely, you will see them. You have one just behind you, the small one, and another one there that is a big one. It is an honor for us to be the finalists of this award. I hope that next year we will be in several categories.
Thank you. And in terms of the Middle East region, we know that you have a very strong footprint here. What are your plans for developing the business in 2024?
So we started in the Middle East in 2007 when I moved to Dubai. When we started, I was alone. And today we have a team for the Middle East region of approximately over 20 people, okay, covering the entire Middle East. The focus is going more and more into Saudi, as we all talk about Saudi with the big projects where we are developing a lot, okay? But we have to bring the new technologies. If we were talking about face recognition that is very well implemented in the Middle East, we have now to bring those new innovation, new technology, new way of thinking and opening doors, okay, to the Middle East. So we have a tremendous work to do, seeing all the consultants again and introducing the new technology. Not in one country in particular, but all the Middle East region.
Thank you for that, Victor.
Thank you.
And just talking about technology and innovation, in your opinion, which technologies are going to shape the future of access control?
There is no one technology that will shape, in my opinion, of course. In 2014, we've introduced the cloud-based access control, okay, that is taking a very big part of our turnover. So for me, it was the cloud at that time. Mobile applications also came, and today we have to be more secure. Okay, everybody's talking about attacks on the cloud, the ISO 27001, etc. What we have done is, first of all, we've made a common electronic to all of our electronic locks, all our readers. Okay, and we have introduced a new technology that is called the HSE, hardware secure element, in order to be able to bring all our access control, electronic locks, electronic cylinders, war readers into the cloud. Okay, so we are emphasizing more onto the security, the built-in electronic security that is in all of our readers. For me, this is today a very important point. When it comes to technology, what a client can see is the combination of all the reading technology, okay, into one lock, one reader. So all of our readers can work on the different platform. We have a lock that can be connected to our cloud platform, to our on-premise platform, and embedded we have the NFC, BLE when we talk about mobile applications, RFID if it is with Desfire, if it is with sales technology, etc. Okay, it is not one. It is a combination of a whole, and also addressing different verticals like the residential, hospitality, government, and all of them with the same level of security.
Thank you. And it's really good to understand what you're doing in terms of innovation right now. But looking to the future, how does SALTO ensure that they stay at the forefront of the market?
Bringing this technology to all of our stakeholder partners, okay, like the consultant, the architect also, because we work on the design, and the different clients that we have. So we try to push it, and we do exhibitions like this. Why? In order to present it to our dealers, partners in the region, in the Middle East, where we have people, SALTO people in Egypt, in Qatar. We have an office in Saudi since 2 years ago, our office in Dubai, and we try through our partner to bring this technology into the markets. Okay, so they are our ears and mouths to the markets.
Excellent. Thank you, Victor.
Thank you very much.
I think that just about wraps it up. It's been really, really good to be here and learn about your new innovations and see the future of SALTO. And I would encourage our audience at home to do their own research and visit SALTO's website to see how they really are leading the way in the security market. So, Victor, thank you very much for having me here on your stand.
Thank you very much.
And I wish you
It
the
was a
best of
pleasure.
luck. All the
Thank you.
best.